Hello, beautiful people. Today we are back with another natural remedy. That's the sand and the salt. You guys, sand and salt are very powerful in prayers, are very powerful in everything. In case of any breakages in life, you see things are not moving, things are stagnant, things are not, you've planned them, but they are not moving the way you wanted them. Sand and salt is the best solution for you. Get sand. Sand is it's a natural remedy because it's God that created the sand. And you see everyone, whenever people die and they go for burial, everyone gets that small sand and puts on the grave. You know, people are born from the sand. You get my point? Then salt. Salt is everyday thing that we use. We put in food, we put in veggies, we eat it. We put it everywhere and we eat it. So just mix sand and salt, go outside on barefoot and pray. Pray whatever you want to pray. Pray for good marriage. Pray for financial stability in your life. Pray for your children. Pray for your husband. Pray for your business. Pray whatever you feel like praying. Pray for anything. Pray for people who are blocking your blessings. You know, we are having things that are following us, like maybe our great-great-grandmothers or our great-great-grandfathers did something and kept on following us. It kept on following our fathers. It kept on following our mothers, and now it's on us. So to break that away from us, we have to use sand and salt. And whoever is bewitching you, you can use sand alone. Like whoever is bewitching me, whoever is blocking my blessings, I pray, I manifest this sand should open my blessings. Trust me, it's going to open your blessings. So sand and salt is the best solution for you. Manifest for employment. People who are applying for jobs and they are not getting jobs, use sand and salt. People who are going for interviews and they see interviews are not like, they are not doing what? They are not like, the interviews are hard, and you've searched for an interview and you see the interview is hard and you need a job, use the sand and salt. People who are having problems in their marriages, use sand and salt. People who are financially unstable, use sand and salt. People's businesses that are not good, they are always down. 24/7, they are always down. Use sand and salt and mop your salon with that sand and salt. And when you're mopping your sand and salt, be barefooted when you're mopping your business. And when you're praying using sand and salt, go and stand on the ground while you're barefooted and pray. After praying, actually when you're in the house, pray, then you go outside. After praying, you throw it. Don't flush it away in the toilet or in the drainage. You throw it in the soil. And there when you throw it in the soil, it germinates. Your blessings begins growing. Your blessings things begin working out. What has not been working out, begin working out. The job, the money, the financial stability, everything that you wished for, begin working out. So use sand and salt for a breakthrough. You get my point? Use sand and salt for a breakthrough. Just pray for anything you want. For anything you want in life. For anything. Jobs, good relationship, money, wealth, abundance, spiritual growth, anything you want in life. Use sand and salt. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. try it out, and you come back in the comment section below and tell me how it has worked out for you. Don't comment before trying it out, and please, when you try it out, please come back in the comment section below and tell me how it has worked for you. And please, you can use it once a week, twice a week, month a week, or you can use it every day. The more you use it, the more blessings you get. You can use it every day. Thank you so much for watching, and please watch my next video. It's very interesting. Bye. I love you all. See you in the next video.